Let's learn how you can fix templates not showing on your CapCut application. So if we head over to our CapCut application, your templates should be appeared right on your toolbar at the bottom. So if you don't have this option and you don't see any templates, first thing you want to do is go to App Store and check if you have an update for CapCut that you didn't download. So click on search for CapCut and click on it. So if you have here update instead of open, that means the CapCut application needs an update and you need to update it before opening. So update and check if templates option appeared. But if it didn't, what you want to do is go to settings, go to general, iPhone storage, and find your CapCut application here. Now what you want to do here is offload the app. So press offload CapCut and press offload app again. So basically this will just remove temporary files and keep your data. So it will just reinstall the application with your data still available. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.